Alright, so this is about the modes, the 7 modes. If you're familiar with the modes already, the modes of the major scale, there's 7 of them because there's 7 notes in the major scale. Each mode is generated by starting on a subsequent scale tone. You can look that up elsewhere if you don't already know it, but I'm going to go into some more interesting geometry that's contained in it. But they're in this order: Ionian, Dorian, Phrygian, Lydian, Mixolydian, Aeolian, and Locrian. That's their order of how they're derived. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you could also order these in a different order, which is in order of brightness. And brightness is determined according to how many flats or sharps they contain. There's one that's brighter than Ionian. It's called Lydian. It has the sharp 4. Like I say, this next part is basics for modes. You can look that up somewhere else. The next brightest is Ionian, which is all natural. The next is Mixolydian, which has a flat 7. Next is Dorian, which has a flat 7 and a flat third. Next is Aeolian, which has a flat 7 and a flat third and a flat 6. Next is Phrygian, which has a flat 7, a flat third, a flat 6th, and a flat 2. Next is Locrian, which is the darkest, which has flat 7, flat 3, flat 6, flat 2, and flat 5. So if we order these in order of their brightness, Lydian is the brightest, so Lydian 4 is the brightest, mode 1 is the next brightest, mode 5 is the next brightest, mode Dorian 2 is the next brightest, mode 6 is the next brightest, mode 3 is the next brightest, 7 is the darkest. Now this is the next fun part here. This is the fun part coming up. Draw a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just like that. We're going to connect the dots, connect the numbers. 4, 1, 5, 2. 4, 1, 5, 2. Just like that. 6, 3, 7. 6, 3, 7. And we'll just connect it back to the beginning to finish it up. It's a really cool looking 7-pointed star. So basically this is the derivation order on the outside. That's this. With the brightness order, that's this, connecting. You can also do opposite. Draw a circle, put these around the outside edge. 4, 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7. That's the brightness order around the outside of the circle. Now you connect the dots, or you connect the numbers in derivation order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it makes another star. The other one is more of a spiky looking star, and this one's more of a rounder looking star. That's geometry in the modes of music. Pretty awesome stuff.